Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Rescue Experts. Today I've got a very interesting case, an iPhone 13 Pro Max where the power IC was getting extremely hot. At first glance you'd think the IC is faulty, but actually the real culprit was something much smaller. Let's get into it. The phone was dead, and when connecting power, the power IC heated instantly. Many technicians would assume the power IC itself is shorted. I hooked it up to the thermal camera to see the heat signature. Interestingly, the heat spike was not just at the power IC. I noticed activity near the NAND area. Right beside the NAND, there was a tiny capacitor that was actually shorted. This capacitor was creating the false heating at the power IC. I carefully removed the faulty capacitor. After removing it, the board powered up normally. No more heating on the power IC. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max looked like it had a dead power IC, but the real issue was just a bad capacitor beside the NAND. This is why tools like a thermal camera are so powerful. They help us find the true fault. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Phone Rescue Experts for more advanced iPhone repair cases. See you in the next video.